Imagine if just one tiny microbe could revolutionize your gut health, improve your mood, and even support a longer life. It might sound too good to be true, but the probiotic Lactobacillus reuteri, or L. reuteri, is gaining recognition as a powerful solution to common gut issues. This unique microbe doesn't just aid digestion, it supports immunity, balances hormones, enhances skin health, and has even been linked to anti-aging effects. In this video, we'll uncover the science behind L. reuteri, why it's so effective, and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine to experience these incredible benefits for yourself. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest health tips and tricks. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people with this crucial information. Please keep watching till the end to get all the tips and strategies and a step-by-step homemade yogurt recipe, Lactobacillus reuteri, the probiotic wonder for gut health and longevity. Lactobacillus reuteri, L. reuteri, is a potent probiotic gaining popularity in the health and wellness field for its extensive benefits. Found in the digestive tract, L. reuteri has a unique ability to survive harsh environments, allowing it to promote a balanced microbiome, improve skin health, support immune function, and potentially extend lifespan. Let's explore the science behind L. reuteri, its benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your diet with a simple recipe. Benefits of L. reuteri. 1. Gut health and digestion. L. reuteri helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. It produces antimicrobial substances like reuteri, which inhibits harmful bacteria, yeasts, and fungi in the gut. This reduction of harmful bacteria can help alleviate symptoms of digestive discomfort, including bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. 2. Immune support. This probiotic has a significant impact on immune health. By modulating the immune response, L. reuteri can reduce inflammation and enhance the body's natural defenses. Research also shows that it may increase the production of T cells, which are crucial for a robust immune response. 3. Improve skin health. By reducing systemic inflammation and balancing the gut microbiome, L. reuteri can lead to clearer, healthier skin. It can also reduce acne and other inflammatory skin conditions, making it an ideal choice for those seeking natural skin solutions. 4. Hormonal balance and mood. L. reuteri promotes the production of oxytocin, a hormone known for its role in social bonding, mood regulation, and stress reduction. This increase in oxytocin can lead to feelings of well-being and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. 5. Anti-aging and longevity. Preliminary studies suggest that L. reuteri may play a role in promoting longevity by reducing systemic inflammation and oxidative stress. The enhancement of gut health and immune function can potentially slow down the aging process, making L. reuteri a powerful addition to an anti-aging regimen. 6. Enhanced metabolism. This probiotic can support a healthier metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce body fat. It has been studied for its potential role in weight management, especially in conjunction with a balanced diet and lifestyle. How to incorporate L. reuteri into your diet. While L. reuteri supplements are available, a popular method to consume this probiotic naturally is by making homemade yogurt. By fermenting L. reuteri at home, you can enjoy a cost-effective, high-potency source of probiotics that is easy to make and delicious. Homemade L. reuteri yogurt recipe. This recipe creates a yogurt rich in L. reuteri and other beneficial bacteria, promoting gut health and longevity. Ingredients. Lactobacillus reuteri starter culture. You can use L. reuteri capsules or powdered probiotic to start the culture. Ensure the product has live, active L. reuteri strains. Milk. Whole milk is ideal for this recipe due to its creaminess and nutrient content. For a dairy-free option, coconut milk or almond milk may be substituted, though it may result in a thinner consistency. Inulin, optional. This prebiotic fiber helps feed the bacteria, encouraging better fermentation. Use about 1-2 teaspoons. Instructions. 1. Prepare the ingredients. If using L. reuteri capsules, open them and measure the powder. For a quart of milk, you'll need about 3 and 4 capsules, approximately 10 billion CFUs. 2. Heat the milk. Pour the milk into a saucepan and slowly heat it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius, then remove it from the heat. Heating helps the milk thicken during fermentation. Let the milk cool to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius, before proceeding. 3. Add the probiotic culture. Pour the cooled milk into a sterilized glass jar or bowl. Add the ROL Reuteri powder and stir well. If you're using inulin, add it at this stage and stir until it's well mixed. 4. Ferment the mixture. Cover the container loosely with a lid or cloth. Place the container in a yogurt maker or an oven set to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius, for 36 hours. The extended fermentation time allows the ROL Reuteri bacteria to multiply, creating a potent probiotic yogurt. 5. Check the consistency. After 24 hours, check the yogurt. It should have a thick, creamy consistency. You can taste it to ensure it has a tangy flavor, a sign of successful fermentation. 6. Store and enjoy. Once fermented, transfer the yogurt to the refrigerator. This helps halt fermentation and thickens the yogurt. Homemade ROL Reuteri yogurt can last up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Serving suggestions. Top with berries. Add fresh blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries for an antioxidant boost. Sprinkle with seeds or nuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds, or crushed almonds. Add healthy fats and fiber. Blend into smoothies. Add a spoonful of yogurt to your morning smoothie for a probiotic kick. Precautions: begin slowly. If you are new to probiotics, start with a small amount, about 1-2 tablespoons per day, and gradually increase to prevent any initial digestive discomfort. Monitor your body. Though ROL Reuteri is generally safe, those with weakened immune systems or certain health conditions should consult a healthcare professional before starting a high-dose probiotic regimen. Conclusion. Incorporating ROL Reuteri into your daily routine is a simple, effective way to support your gut, skin, mood, and overall health. Whether you enjoy it as a yogurt, in a smoothie, or as a healthy snack, this probiotic powerhouse can be a game changer in your journey to longevity and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the next video on the screen to get more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and youthful.